How to fix Disney Plus error code 1017. So if you get this error code 1017, guys, the main problem basically is related to your internet connection. Okay, it's not connecting well with the internet. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and check if you have a fast and stable connection. Okay, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Make sure you have a stable connection. Go ahead and check your Wi-Fi speed, okay? So come here in Google, write speed test, click on run speed test, see what kind of speeds you're getting right now. Should be a decent speed. I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this. So next, if that still does not work, you can go ahead and try clearing the cache and data. So highlight the app, long press on it, click on app info, and then you'll see this option right here, storage and cache. Just want to come here and click on clear cache, clear storage, of course. And then what you can do is go ahead and re-log in into your account, okay? Log in again into your account after you clear the cache and data. And if this also does not work, what you can do, guys, you can go ahead and restart your device. So restart your device. If that still does not work, the last option would be to uninstall the app and then go ahead and reinstall it again from your Play Store. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.